Have you seen this cool action figure popping up all over social media? Today I'm showing you how to do exactly that with ChatGPT. And yes, it's totally free. Step 1. Upload your photo to ChatGPT. It could be a selfie, a styled portrait, anything that shows you from head to toe. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to create an action figure toy version of it by entering your desired prompt. Or you could even ChatGPT to create prompts for you. In the prompt, you could include accessories, pose, packaging, and even give it a cool name like Not Your Regular Pilot. Step 3. Let ChatGPT work its magic. In few minutes, you'll have a custom action figure image ready to post. Do you want to bring your AI-generated viral action figure or viral toy to life, or animate it? Let's animate it, step by step, using Crea.ai. Step 1. Head over to Crea.ai and sign in. If you don't have an account, it's free and takes just a sec to set up. Step 2. When the website opens, click on Generate Videos. Step 3. Enter your prompt describing how you want the image should be animated, or use ChatGPT to generate a smooth you can copy and paste in Crea.ai. Make sure you edit the prompt to your taste. Step 4. Click on Start Frame to add the reference image. Press Enter after adding the image. Let AI work its magic, waiting for some few minutes for the AI to generate the video. Then download the video.